Today's project is a Costco hack. I got these gloves at Costco Arctic, 2 pairs for $24.99. Such a great price. You can make one for your friend and keep one for yourself. Woo! I'm going to take a Sharpie marker and draw on the gloves just like you see here. We're going to make it into some really cool art today. That's awesome. Grab a Sharpie marker and your gloves and let's get started. I'm going to start by outlining the gloves so I can do a quick sketch and know what I want to do once I get the Sharpie marker in my hand. I want very clear diagonal lines, straight lines, and curved lines so that I can follow the patterns around the gloves. Buy some Sharpie markers for everyone on your list. It's a great stocking stuffer. Okay, we're ready to start with the Sharpie marker on the gloves. Let's go! Sharpie marker for all life's projects. Check them out. Look pretty good, huh? Here they are, my Costco gloves. The winter cowhide work gloves in size large, extra large, and they fit me perfectly. These are the perfect gloves for your art project to make a great Christmas gift for anyone you know. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a day of my art tips and tricks for all kinds of cool projects. Until tomorrow, see you later. It's a Costco hack.